my name is Alana King. I'm the new Hepatitis C Regional Coordinator for the Northwest region, and today we're going to make carrot cake pancakes. So our first step is to make a flax egg. That's going to be 1 tablespoon of milled flaxseed and 2.5 tablespoons of water. You're going to want to mix it up until it gets thick and just let it set to the side for a minute. Then you're going to take 1 cup of just regular plain flour, and then you're going to have a tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt, and then 1 teaspoon cinnamon to really make that carrot cake flavor. So we'll go ahead and mix our dry ingredients first. Next, we're going to take 1 cup of dried milk. It's just the milk powder with water, and then 2 tablespoons of regular cooking oil. You'll go ahead and mix that together. And then you'll go ahead and add your flax egg once it's thick enough. So that's the desired consistency. You'll whisk that all together until it's combined. And then you'll go ahead and add your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And again, just whisk it until combined. And you can see the batter is pretty thick. So if it's too thick, you can add a tablespoon of water at a time until it's at the correct consistency. So I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of water. Then what you're gonna do is add about a 1/2 cup of shredded carrots. So I just used a regular cheese grater to shred this up. And go ahead and add that to your mix. So this is the vegetable, so it's a well-rounded meal. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and use a camp stove to cook it. So first we need to light our stove. Okay. And then you'll just use some regular cooking oil on your pan so we can just pan fry it. Then you'll put just however much batter you'd like. Try and make it a little bit thinner because it is a thick consistency and you want to make sure it all gets cooked through. Then just like usual, once all the bubbles have popped, you'll go ahead and flip that, and then you'll have a carrot cake pancake. So what I did was I topped it with some raisins and walnuts so you can get your fruits and your proteins as well. And then just go ahead and pour some syrup on top and you've got yourself a emergency preparedness meal. Enjoy!